Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Jimothy the Raccoon token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Jimothy the Raccoon is inspired by a real raccoon living in Seattle that become famous for its unusual short body, believed to be caused by a rare congenital spinal condition. Despite its appearance, Jimothy has been seen moving around normally, and many local residents have turned it into a neighborhood celebrity. Jimothy the Raccoon token total supply is 999.94 million, and circulating supply is also 999.94 million. Jimothy token. Jimothy token is listed on MEXC, LBank, KCX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a lazy to good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.